Okay guys, I'm not going to waste any time because this is part 2 of the video. And basically this guy just started with KLLM his first week. So he basically, I just want to prove to you guys that you can make $1,500 to $2,000 per week. Okay, so basically he's getting 92 cents a mile because he's on the Tyson dedicated account, one of our biggest accounts. And 996 miles, 92 cents a mile, 178 miles. Those are 178 deadhead miles at 92 cents a mile. And also he gets fuel surcharge on deadhead and loaded miles. So the total is $1397.55. And again, you see the 28 cent for the for the fuel surcharge on loaded and empty miles. Okay. Going down, same thing, 756 miles, 0 deadhead miles, total of 898.81. Now down here, again, these short trips, over the road we don't usually get these, but with the Tyson dedicated account, there are times when you're going to go less than 200 miles, and this is what happened. So because it was less than 200 miles, he got $1.50 per mile. Everybody's on that sliding scale. So if it's less than 500 or 600 miles, you're going to get a higher rate. So he gets $1.50 per mile, plus on the rest of the 201, he gets 92 cents a mile, and then of course he gets that fuel surcharge on top of the $1.50 per mile. So that's a good deal. So he made $572.29. Again, coming down here, 669 miles, 92 cents a mile, 96 deadhead miles, 92 cents a mile, and the total is 908.02. And then the total he made this week with those trips is 37.76.67. And again, remember I said stop. That's not what you get. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, so basically what you have here is, of course, the maintenance fee. It's 11 cents per mile. So you add those total miles plus 11 cents. That's how much they take out for maintenance fee. Again, that goes in the escrow account. Whenever you need tires, like I did tires this week, it cost me what, $2,500 for 2 steers and 1 drive tire at $700 a piece. So you're talking a lot of money that was taken out of my maintenance fund that I probably wouldn't have been able to do if I didn't have this money set aside. So that's what that's for. Heavy use tax, again, everybody has to pay that. It's a total of $500. They took out $329.24. Remember that amount, because that's not normal. That's not out of your paycheck. So when you add that onto his total paycheck, you're going to see that he made $2,000 this week. Okay. Satellite fee, again, that's the Qualcomm. $752 per week for bobtail insurance, pretty cheap. Occupational insurance is $35.62. Physical damage, and then you have $15.26 for using KLLM's trailers. And then he had a legal plan that he has $448 taken out of. And again, all this is his fuel, the CDTA fuel. That's all what he paid for fuel that week. That's something we talked about. He's going to work on trying to reduce his fuel costs down, and that will be even a bigger check. Again, remember, you're a business owner now. You need to control your expenses. So one of fuel is your biggest expense, and that's something you have to control. Again, he had a detention pay. That means he stayed at the shipper a little bit longer than normal, so he got detention pay, $110. So the total was, after his discounts, after his fees, fuel charge, and all the other stuff, I came to $1,601.77. Okay, $1,601.77 plus $339.24, you will see is approximately around $2,000 he made this week. So these guys saying that it's not attainable, they're not telling you the truth. And I'm going to grab a calculator real quick. And I'm going to punch these numbers in. 339.24, okay, plus 1601 $1,000.77, okay, equals, he made $1941.01. Okay, that's what he made this week. Okay, so these guys telling you you can't make that money at KLM, they're not telling you the truth. Okay, but it is attainable. Again, this does not include his 500. What is it? I think it's 515. So minus 515. You know, he still made 426. Again, his fuel costs he needs to control. And this is his first week. This is his first week, guys. You know, he made $1,900 his first week. Okay, so he's going to learn the system. He's going to get better at expenses, and he's going to make a little bit more money. So again, all right, this is Jay Trucker 717. Again, I tell you guys, it is attainable here over here at KLLM, and you guys, he started his first week. He got that plus his $1,000 comp data check from me. All right, that was a referral. So you guys come on over. Just hit me up on Facebook, YouTube. I'll hook you right up. I'll get you started right with KLLM, and we can make this money together. Again, this is Jay Trucker 717. Peace. I'm out of here. I got freight to move.